Yo, check it out. I'm gonna be swapping my Klipsch original speaker for these Goodwood sound 6.5s. They sound different, and later I'll explain what I found out and the sound characteristic differences. Here's the cables, positive and negative, and the inside of the cabinet, it's polyfill lined, and I put that boom mat wave breaker back, sound wave breaker in the back there. And this is the original Klipsch 8-ohm speaker. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just gonna swap it out. That's the original 8-ohm Klipsch speaker. These actually look better. They look better, and I'll bring you along some other little thing that you have to do there to make the connection, because these are a little bit different, and I'll explain.